Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we're bringing you another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is on the hanging ring knot. Now, the hanging ring knot will need one extra prop. It is a single steel ring or brass ring, or you could even use a plastic ring. Whatever you end up using, though, you're going to want it to be about 1 inch in diameter and, of course, a ring. So let's go ahead and undo the vest, take down the knot, and we'll begin. So we're going to start this knot with the blade on our right and the tail on our left. We're going to bring the blade into the center, fold it in on itself, and then fold it back to get our crease in there. And we're going to bring it to the center. The blade tip is about 1 hand's width from our belt. We're going to take the tail of the tie, bring it over, up and through the top, down the side. Now we're going to bring it behind the back, up on the left-hand side, and through. Now we're going to bring it back over to the right, and we're going to bring it across the front, just like that. Up and through. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen up this cross piece just a little bit. All right, we're going to thread our finger through there, and we're going to bring the tail of the tie through that piece. Now, we're not going to cinch it up just yet because we have to wrap it around on itself. Like so. So this has to be situated so that the seam of the tie is facing out. Now what we're going to do is take our ring, we're going to thread it with the tail of the tie. Now we're going to bring the tie back up and thread it right back through where it just came down. If you did not have the ring and you tried this, you'll just pull it right back out and you'll have to start over. But because we have the ring, that is going to prevent this from going all the way up through the knot. And then we're just going to bring it back through the collar and tuck it down. Now to tighten this, we can pull on the tail, but that does not tighten the cross piece anymore. So we have to kind of reach under the tail and get the correct piece in order to tighten this bit going across. So you kind of have to fiddle around with it just a little bit to make sure you've got the right piece. Otherwise you're just yanking on random chunks of the tie. So you can kind of feel that tighten a little bit. And you'll know you've got it if you pull down on the ring like that, and you can still feel this tightening. Now you can bring it up like that, and it will tuck in just underneath. Now you're going to want to hold on to the waist of the knot, which is where the crease is, just underneath the knot. And we're going to pull that down, push the knot up, and then you do your adjustment fiddle. Now you've got a lot of excess here, but not enough to really tuck it into the back. So we're going to go ahead and bring it into the shirt between the collar button and the second button down. Now we're going to get the knot where we want it. We're going to bring the ring back down. It will want to kind of pull forward a little bit, so it's just something that you can fiddle with and adjust throughout the day. Now we're going to bring the collar down. And if you have buttons, go ahead and secure that. I don't have many shirts that have buttons anymore, But if you do, you're going to want to make sure that the buttons are fastened. This is a good knot for shirts that have button-down collars or narrow collars. As you can see, this fills up the gap in this narrow collar very, very nicely. It would not do quite so well in a shirt that has a wider collar. So this is a really good knot for smaller collared, for thinner collared shirts. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The hanging ring knot is an excellent knot, again, for narrow collared shirts. It's a really good knot to wear at either a formal occasion where you're going to be wearing a lot of black, or if you happen to work in more of an office environment, it's just something that sits there and winks at people as they go by. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to the channel down below. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you get a heads up anytime I release a new video. Leave a like on the video or a dislike if you don't like the video, and a comment below if you have any questions or just want to shower me with praise or criticism. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Take care.